Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is May 1st, 2015. It is May Day. You do have several European markets closed. I believe the German DAX and the French markets are closed, so just be aware of that. I believe England, though, is open for business. So the London FTSE is trading, but we do have the German DAX closed for the holiday, May Day. So once again, futures right now are trading higher by 6.5 points to 20.85.5 per contract. Decent little uptick in the market today after what we would call yesterday's pretty good beating. So overall, markets have come back quite a bit, and we'll see how it plays out today. Today is a Friday, so either two things are going to happen. One, we're going to get Friday fear, which we've seen a lot in 2015, or we're going to see the markets hold up, which is normally what would happen in 2014. So again, be prepared. We have a lot of earnings out here, and that's what we're going to get into now. First one I want to talk about is LNKD, which is LinkedIn. Stock is absolutely hammered, closed at $252.13. It did trade below 185 yesterday after the closing bell, now sitting right around 200. I will have levels for this in the intraday stock chat room, so come on over. Take the 7-day free trial. You can trade this right alongside of us. I think I have very, very good levels so far. The gap plays have been very, very good, and we're going to have more of them today. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing there. Plus, you'll get all of our intraday action, which has been absolutely amazing as of late. All right, let's take a look at Fireeye. This is a cybersecurity firm. Ticker symbol is FEYE. The stock right now is trading at $43.55, closed at $41.30, so it's getting a good little pop. There's still a lot of resistance around the $46 and $47 levels, and then I have gap levels for us. So if it did trade higher, we would trade this one today as well. But either way, this could be in play right after the opening bell rings, so you want to take note of that. Let's take a look at Expedia, EXPE. Is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $99.50. It closed at $94.23, so it is upticking a little bit. I'm not sure it's going to hold these levels. A level I do like for the stock, though, would be around $91.45 and $90.50. Those are two intraday support levels if the stock does get there for quick scalps. Remember, a scalp play is nothing more than a quick day trade lasting between 10 and 60 minutes. All right, let's take a look at Gilead Sciences. This is a leading biotech firm. The stock is trading at $103.35, closed at $100.51. So it's got a nice little uptick today. I don't really see the stock getting much above the 106 level. So again, I do think you're going to probably hit some resistance around 106. Keep that on the radar today. It might even be 105.75, somewhere in that vicinity. That's where the stock stalls out. So if you own it, just try your stop loss on this one. You should be fine. Let's take a look at Skyworks Solutions, SWKS. Leading tech stock these days. Stock is trading at $96. It closed at $92.25. That's a pretty good up move. I don't know if we can make too much out of it. There's a ton of resistance still around the double top high on the daily chart, and that would be around 102. So I'm not expecting it to get up there. We'll see if it could stall out. If it does stall out just above 100, maybe $100.50, there could be even some resistance there. So we'll see how this one plays out. But either way, this will be on the radar once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Visa. Visa's leading. I mean, what could you say? This is probably the greatest business in the world. But the stock right now is trading a little bit lower from its close. It closed at $66.05. It is now trading at $65.35. So the level I'd watch for Visa would be the $64 level. That's where you could get a scalp bounce if it does sell down to that area. Other than that, we're going to watch this once the opening bell rings. It will be in play. Let's take a look at First Solar. Ticker symbol is FSLR. And First Solar right now is trading at around $58. It closed at $59.67. I have gap levels for this. Even though it's not that big of a gap down, I do have gap levels for this equity. So if you want to come over and trade this with us, we're probably going to be able to get a couple trades out of this one today, I'm thinking. So again, First Solar will be on the radar, and we do have gap plays for this one. Let's take a look at CVS. This is the drug chain. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at 101.25, closed at 99.29. It's a strong gap up. If the stock can pick up some momentum, it has upside today, believe it or not. If it get through this 102 level, it has upside to 104. So CVS is actually behaving pretty well. If it does break through 99.29 on the downside, be very, very careful. Stock could go a lot lower. Let's take a look at Chevron. This is a major integrated oil stock. You're going to see Chevron right now trading at 111.55, closed at 111.06. I have a hard time seeing Chevron really get through the 112.50, 112 and a quarter level. So you could see here in the pre-market, it tried to test 112.50, just couldn't do it. It's coming back down. That will still be a resistance point from what I can see. I'm probably going to have some gap levels for Chevron today. Even though it's not much of a gap, it certainly does obey the laws of the gap. So I'm going to put those out anyway, just in case we do need them. So we're gonna watch this one once the opening bell rings. And this is a stock that we play almost every single day, so we want to keep that on the radar today at all times. There are a lot of other equities that are reporting earnings today, but we're going to keep it short and sweet today since it is a Friday. Gold right now is trading lower by $9.20 to $1,173 an ounce. So gold really got hit yesterday and is getting hit again today. So you got to be a little bit careful with this. Oil futures are trading lower as well by about 58 cents to $59.06. Oil has been on a tremendous rise, but remember the dollar has been down. Any uptick in the dollar, we should see oil start to pull back. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that plays out. Remember, oil is also affected by geopolitical events as well as weather. So there always are some intangibles in there that you have to look for. But as for stock trading, it's been absolutely a great week. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.